Hello everyone! In today's video, we're exploring 8 types of fruit and vegetable juices you can have every morning to help lower blood sugar levels. These juices are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that support your overall health and improve your quality of life. Let's dive into these exciting options right now. 1. Carrot juice is renowned for its rich content of vitamin A and antioxidants, which contribute significantly to enhancing cardiovascular health and bolstering the immune system. Vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene found abundantly in carrots, plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, skin, and mucous membranes. Additionally, the antioxidants present in carrot juice help combat oxidative stress, thereby reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cardiovascular disorders. Moreover, regular consumption of carrot juice has been associated with potential benefits in managing blood sugar levels. The natural sugars in carrots are balanced by dietary fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. This property makes carrot juice a favorable choice for individuals looking to regulate their blood sugar levels effectively. Furthermore, carrot juice is a refreshing and nutrient-dense beverage that can be easily incorporated into a balanced diet. Its vibrant color and sweet taste make it appealing to both adults and children alike, ensuring that it can be enjoyed as part of a healthy lifestyle. Whether consumed alone or combined with other juices, carrot juice stands out as a beneficial addition to daily nutrition, promoting overall well-being and vitality. 2. Tomato juice is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to reduce cholesterol levels and support heart health. Lycopene is a carotenoid pigment that gives tomatoes their red color and is particularly effective in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, lycopene helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases. Studies have shown that regular consumption of tomato juice or tomatoes, which are the main dietary source of lycopene, can contribute to lowering levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and total cholesterol in the blood. This reduction in cholesterol levels is beneficial for maintaining cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition to its heart protective properties, tomato juice is also a good source of vitamins C and E, as well as potassium, all of which play important roles in supporting overall heart function. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while vitamins C and E act as antioxidants that further protect the heart from oxidative damage. Overall, incorporating tomato juice into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your heart health, thanks to its high lycopene content and other beneficial nutrients. Whether enjoyed on its own or as part of a mixed juice blend, tomato juice offers a flavorful option that promotes cardiovascular well-being. 3. Celery juice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and high fiber content, both of which contribute to stabilizing blood sugar levels. Celery contains antioxidants and beneficial enzymes that help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. The fiber content in celery juice plays a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels after meals. This helps in maintaining a steady supply of energy and promotes better blood sugar control, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Moreover, celery juice is low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, potassium, and folate. These nutrients support various bodily functions, such as bone health, nerve function, and red blood cell production. Potassium, in particular, helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, making celery juice a heart-friendly choice as well. Incorporating celery juice into your daily diet can be a refreshing and nutritious way to promote overall well-being. Whether consumed alone or combined with other juices, celery juice offers a natural remedy for inflammation and a valuable source of dietary fiber, contributing to better blood sugar management and enhanced health outcomes. 4. Kale juice, derived from kale, is renowned for its rich antioxidant content and high levels of vitamin C, both of which play pivotal roles in enhancing cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Antioxidants in kale juice, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, help combat oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals in the body. This protective action helps to maintain the health of blood vessels and reduce inflammation, contributing to overall heart health. Vitamin C, abundantly present in kale juice, supports cardiovascular function by promoting the production of collagen, a protein essential for maintaining the integrity of blood vessels. Additionally, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting LDL cholesterol from oxidation and thereby reducing the risk of plaque formation in arteries. Moreover, kale juice is a rich source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart muscle function. Potassium is crucial for maintaining a healthy electrolyte balance and contributes to overall cardiovascular stability. Regular consumption of kale juice can be beneficial for heart health due to its nutrient density and potent antioxidant properties. Whether consumed alone or as part of a blended juice, kale juice offers a flavorful and nutritious addition to a heart-healthy diet. By incorporating kale juice into your daily routine, you can potentially reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and promote optimal heart function. 5. Red bell pepper juice, rich in vitamin C and carotenoids, offers significant benefits for immune function and overall health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system by enhancing the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. Additionally, vitamin C helps in the production of collagen, which is important for maintaining healthy skin, cartilage, and blood vessels. Carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and lutein found in red bell peppers, also contribute to immune support and overall health. These compounds act as antioxidants, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Carotenoids are also known for their role in promoting eye health and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Moreover, red bell pepper juice is low in calories but high in essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin E, and potassium. Vitamin A supports vision and immune function, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. Incorporating red bell pepper juice into your diet can be a flavorful and nutritious way to boost your immune system and support overall well-being. Whether enjoyed on its own or combined with other juices, red bell pepper juice provides a delicious source of vitamins and antioxidants that contribute to a healthy lifestyle. 6. Apple juice is known for its rich fiber content and antioxidant properties, which contribute to controlling blood sugar levels and improving digestive function. The fiber in apple juice, particularly soluble fiber like pectin, helps slow down the digestion and absorption of sugars. This gradual release of sugars into the bloodstream prevents rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, making apple juice a favorable choice for individuals managing diabetes or seeking to regulate their blood sugar levels. In addition to fiber, apple juice contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can otherwise contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, apple juice supports overall cellular health and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, apple juice is a good source of vitamin C, which plays a key role in supporting the immune system and promoting skin health. Vitamin C also enhances the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, contributing to overall nutrient uptake and energy production. Overall, incorporating apple juice into your diet can be beneficial for maintaining blood sugar control, supporting digestive health, and boosting antioxidant intake. Whether enjoyed fresh or as part of a blended juice, apple juice offers a delicious and nutritious way to promote overall well-being and vitality. 7. Watercress juice is packed with antioxidants and potassium, offering benefits that include reducing inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health. Antioxidants in watercress juice, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals, thus protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. This antioxidant activity helps maintain overall health and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Potassium, another essential nutrient found in watercress juice, helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals throughout the body. Adequate potassium intake supports heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. Moreover, watercress juice is low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin A, calcium, and iron. Vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health, while vitamin A supports vision and immune function. Calcium and iron contribute to bone strength and oxygen transport in the blood, respectively. Incorporating watercress juice into your diet can be a beneficial way to support overall health, particularly cardiovascular health, due to its potent antioxidant content and potassium levels. Whether consumed alone or blended with other ingredients, watercress juice offers a flavorful and nutrient-dense addition to a balanced diet. Watercress juice is packed with antioxidants and potassium, offering benefits that include reducing inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health. Antioxidants in watercress juice, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals, thus protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. This antioxidant activity helps maintain overall health and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Potassium, another essential nutrient found in watercress juice, helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals throughout the body. Adequate potassium intake supports heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. Moreover, watercress juice is low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin A, calcium, and iron. Vitamin K is vital for blood clotting and bone health, while vitamin A supports vision and immune function. Calcium and iron contribute to bone strength and oxygen transport in the blood, respectively. Incorporating watercress juice into your diet can be a beneficial way to support overall health, particularly cardiovascular health, due to its potent antioxidant content and potassium levels. Whether consumed alone or blended with other ingredients, watercress juice offers a flavorful and nutrient-dense addition to a balanced diet. 8. Cucumber juice is known for its cooling properties, high water content, and antioxidant benefits, which contribute to cleansing the body and maintaining hydration. Cucumbers are composed primarily of water, making cucumber juice a hydrating beverage that helps maintain fluid balance and supports overall hydration levels. In addition to its high water content, cucumber juice contains antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals in the body, which can contribute to cellular damage and aging. By reducing oxidative stress, cucumber juice supports overall health and well-being. Moreover, cucumber juice is low in calories and rich in nutrients like vitamin K and silica. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting, while silica contributes to maintaining healthy connective tissues such as skin, muscles, and ligaments. The cooling properties of cucumber juice make it a refreshing choice, particularly during hot weather or after physical activity. Its mild flavor also makes it versatile for blending with other fruits and vegetables to create delicious and nutritious juice combinations. Overall, incorporating cucumber juice into your diet can help cleanse the body, support hydration, and provide valuable antioxidants and nutrients. Whether enjoyed alone or as part of a juice blend, cucumber juice offers a refreshing and beneficial addition to a healthy lifestyle.